What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. So today I'll be preparing some horseradish, so come along, check it out. First thing I'm going to do is actually cut that end off. This I can go ahead and plant back in the ground, and with that being a nice big thick root, there's probably a pretty good chance that it will root again and grow. The areas where it's starting to want to kind of grow again, and the first thing I'm going to do is peel all the roots. So I will try to cut this in half to try to trim out this other bit of skin. Definitely be careful, because with it being round edges, you don't want to slip and cut yourself. I'll bring you back in a couple minutes. Okay, so I got everything all cleaned up. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cube it into small cubes like that, and I'll go ahead and bring you back as soon as that's done. So packed in just a little over 10 ounces. Okay, so I added the horseradish to my magic bullet blender. I have 4 ounces of water for right now, but I can add at least another 2 to 4 ounces depending on how it looks as it's blending together. So with how thick it's looking right now, I'm going to add the other 4 ounces of water. Well, I'll keep a little out just in case. At this point, I'm going to add some salt. I have canning salt. It's going to be 1 teaspoon. And as I was pulling it out, the bag kind of knocked it back in, so I added just a little more. So all that's in here right now is the horseradish, water, and salt. Now I need to add the vinegar. If you go ahead and you add your vinegar early to the process, the horseradish won't be as hot. I allowed this to blend for about 3 minutes, so I need to add the vinegar in there now to stop that the heat and lock that level in right now. And it's just regular distilled white vinegar. I don't have a 1 ounce measuring cup, but 1 tablespoon is half an ounce, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons for 1 ounce of vinegar. And then I need to blend this again to incorporate. Okay, so let's check it out. Woo-wee! I'm going to take you back over to where I started today and give it a quick taste. Okay, so here comes the taste test. There's a big hit. Now it kind of mellowed out a little bit. Okay, whew. Ooh, I can feel it burning. So real quick, a couple things to remember. With fresh prepared horseradish, it's not gonna last a long time, around a month, give or take. So I plan on using this kind of quick. I hope you guys get a chance to try some freshly prepared horseradish. It is on a whole nother level. Something to go ahead and make sure you remember is the heat is going to be dependent on when you add your vinegar. If you add it very early, it's not going to be as hot. If you wait, 3, 5, 7 minutes and then add your vinegar, that's when the heat's really going to build up. So depending on how hot you like it, I would go ahead and either make smaller batches and try them out, or go ahead, start more on the cool side, and then let more time go before you add the vinegar to then increase that heat. If you haven't had a chance to check out last year's, I'll put it up here. Instead of just putting the salt and vinegar, I actually put sugar in there, so you guys can check that one out too. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.